Far above Earth's surface, thousands of satellites orbit our planet. Some help us with weather forecasts, others give us GPS directions, or let us stream shows on our phones. But there's a problem up there that's growing every year, and it's called space junk. Space junk is made up of broken satellites, old rocket pieces, and bits of metal from past space missions. Right now, there are over 100 million pieces of debris circling Earth. Some are the size of a car. Others are smaller than a pebble. But even tiny pieces can be dangerous because they're moving faster than a speeding bullet. Why is space junk a big deal? Well, all this debris can crash into working satellites, damaging the tools we depend on every day. In 2009, a working satellite was completely destroyed when it smashed into an old, unused one. The crash made even more junk. The International Space Station, where astronauts live and work, sometimes has to move out of the way to avoid being hit. Even one hit from a screw or bolt could cause serious harm. Some experts worry that if the space around Earth becomes too crowded, we won't be able to safely launch rockets in the future. So where did all this junk come from? Most of it comes from past space missions. Rockets drop pieces off as they launch. Satellites stop working and are left behind. Sometimes pieces break off or explode, creating thousands of tiny fragments. Thankfully, some smart people are working on solutions. One idea is to use a satellite with a giant net to scoop up junk. Another idea is to send a robot to push debris into Earth's atmosphere so it burns up. There's even talk of using lasers to nudge small pieces out of the way. But space junk won't go away on its own. It takes action, planning, and international cooperation to solve this messy problem. And now it's your turn to speak up. Here's your writing challenge. You're going to write a persuasive letter to a space agency, like NASA or the Canadian Space Agency. Your goal is to convince them to take action to clean up space junk. Begin your letter by explaining what space junk is and why it's a problem. Use facts from this video to show the dangers and real-world consequences. Suggest at least 1 or 2 realistic solutions from what you learned. Explain why this matters to people on Earth, not just astronauts. Use strong, polite language to make your argument. End your letter by urging the agency to take the problem seriously. You have a voice, and your ideas could help protect our future in space.